Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Virginie. Today I'm about to do a little DIY project. Hopefully I can inspire someone out there and hopefully my project come out good. But I don't know how it's gonna come out yet. I'm just gonna try something that I see on Pinterest. I wanted to buy it on Pinterest, but I didn't know how big it would be. Like, my wall is not as big and the sign is not as big, so I said to myself, let's just order everything on Amazon and create it. By the way, I will link everything down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase if you need to do this project. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch the video to the end to see the result. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use so we could get started with this video. I have those Pampas grass that I bought from Amazon. I will definitely link everything below. I bought these flower foam from Amazon as well, and I have those little pen. You can use the wall clip. I don't know how to call it, but I do have that. I'm just gonna use. I'm about to put it over the sign, kind of like an arc. Hopefully this comes out good, because I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. So yeah, this is pretty long. This is what does it say on this? Okay, I don't want to cover the sign, so I'm just gonna grab one of these. I'm gonna put it in there and see how it's gonna be.